Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to make a background image transparent in Google Slides using the full 2026 setup. This is a really useful trick when you want a soft photo behind your text or a subtle design that doesn't overpower your presentation. So first, open your browser, head to google.com, log in with your account, and open Google Slides. Once your dashboard loads, open your file or start a brand new blank presentation. Begin by inserting a blank slide so you have a clean workspace. Now, normally you might use the background tool to add an image, but Google Slides doesn't let you adjust transparency on background images directly. That's why we're going to use a small workaround that gives you full control. Instead of inserting the picture as a background, go to Insert, click Image, and upload your photo from your computer or Google Drive. Once the image is on your slide, resize it so it fills the entire screen. Drag the corners outward until every edge is covered. This makes the image behave like a background, except now you can edit it. With the image selected, open Format Options on the right side, go to the Adjustments section, and you'll see the Transparency slider. Move the slider to make your picture lighter, softer, or more faded, depending on the style you want. You can blend the image gently into the slide while keeping all your text clear and readable. To finish the effect, right-click the image and choose Order, then Send to Back. This places your transparent image behind all other content on the slide. If you want to enhance the design further, you can adjust brightness, contrast, or even add a slight blur for a polished, modern look. And that's it. That's how to make a background image transparent in Google Slides using the 2026 method. It's a simple trick that gives you creative control and helps your presentations look cleaner and more professional without any extra tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.